how to create an eco-friendly product store with Squarespace. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your eco-friendly store with Squarespace, as you can see. So the first thing, this is the main page of Squarespace. You click on get started and you can see here a lot of templates that will help you in the process. So here you can always select the type of your website, whether it's an online store or a portfolio or a memberships and so on. But for this, we will go with an online store. So you select the online store and here you can see a lot of pages or templates for online stores. And here this button that says you can always build your own template. So if you want to start from scratch and build your own template, you can go with this. But let's just select a template to make the work easy for us. So you can always adjust the template as you like. So here you can choose the template that suits your online store. So you said you're going to build an online store for eco-friendly products. So let's just scroll and see if we can find a store like that. So here we have a lot of templates, a lot of good templates actually. But we can always scroll down and see if we can find a store for eco-friendly products. So I think I'm just going with this one. It's plants and pots. You can always preview the template by clicking preview, and here you can see your template, or you can see the demo site from here. So let's go and see the demo site. So this is how the online store looks. As you can see, it's for plants and pots for your home. So I like it. It's a very good template. It just needs a little adjustments and it will be good to go. So let's go back and let's choose this template. So let's start with this design. So wait for them to set things up. And here we need to create our account, whether we continue with our Google or our email. So I'm going to create my account and get back with you. As you can see, my account is getting created. So here we have to go from some steps, and the first one is giving a name to our site. So let's give it eco our friendly eco, or let's go with our eco. Our eco-friendly. It's not a good title, but it's just for the store. And here we can sell anything. Hit next and drive traffic, next, and get started. So this is our store. As you can see, you can adjust it from here. So we'll go to that after a while. And here we have your trial ends in 14 days. So this is just a free trial, guys. It's for 14 days. So let's go to adjusting the site styles. So we click on this one here. Also close this one. And here we can adjust the style of the site, from fonts to colors to animation, spacing, as you can see, to buttons, image blocks, So you can always adjust the style to your own desire. So after you're done, you hit close and it will be closed. And here you can see your website. You click on website. You can see here if you want to add pages, the main navigation pages, also our story, journal, contact. If you want to adjust all these pages, as you see, if you click on shop, you can adjust this page, the shop page. You can change this description, you can change the products. If you want to delete a product, or if you want to change the placing of the product, you want it in the bottom, or so here we have to select our product page to see how we want to have our product page. If you want it in the simple style or in the full style where the picture of the product is wide, or here if you want the product picture to take the half of the screen, or if you want the description to be wrapped in the products page. So I'm just going to go with this one, which is the half. So I want the product to be shown, and at the same time I want the price and the description to be shown also. So you click on half and it will be selected. So this is how it looks after selecting the half, the half, the style which is the half. As you can see, this is our product page. You can also adjust the other product pages from these three knots. You can send to top or send to bottom or delete or edit as we can't. So it's going to show you how you can edit a products page. You can edit the product name, and you can change the description, or if you want to add additional information, or to change the product's image, inventory, and fulfillment, also organization. And here you can also change the details, visibility and marketing, and checkout page. Also you can adjust the custom button, custom forms, and the subscription. And when you're done, you click on save and all your changes will be saved. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.